Bake it till you bake it. That's not a thing. Bake it till you make it. Baking. We're baking. We're baking together.
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.
Hello, my name is Taylor C. Baker, and I am thrilled to have you here at my channel. If you like baking, burlesque, musicals, dogs, baked goods, comedy, musical, parody, burlesque, the Great British Baking Show, you have come to the right place. So go ahead and hit subscribe so you can stay tuned with all of my baking, burlesque, dog-filled shenanigans. I'm going to be baking my way through the Great British Baking Show technical challenges in my pursuit to live up to my namesake and become a better baker. And that show is full of so much heart and life and joy and happiness and helping one another in times of craziness when you're running out of time, there's flour in your hair and your cake stand just broke. And I wanted to embody that energy and put it in to learning how to be a better baker. Learn what to do, learn what not to do, which is just as important. And we will go on this journey together. I am so thrilled to have the most wonderful, magnificent, perfect teacher in the world, Paul Hollywood, Prue Leaf, and my personal favorite, Mary Berry. And the fun doesn't stop there. If you're a fan of musicals, I am going to do Waitress Wednesdays, where I bake the pies from the musical Waitress. And they are pretty dirty and pretty delicious. It's gonna be a hoot and a half. Thank you so much for joining me on all of my adventures and my shenanigans. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.